In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reduce the file size of a PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is a practical skill that can save you a lot of hassle, especially if you're trying to email a document or save space on your device. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open the PDF file that you want to shrink in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Once you have your file open, direct your attention to the menu in the upper left corner of your screen. This menu is your gateway to a host of powerful features, including the tools we'll use today. Now locate the Save as Other option in this menu. Clicking here brings up a list of different ways you can save your file, but our focus today is on reducing the file size. You will see an option labeled Reduce Size PDF. Go ahead and click on that option. This is essentially a shortcut that automates several processes to make your PDF file smaller without compromising too much on quality. Next up is an important step. Selecting the compatibility level. Acrobat Pro allows your file to be compatible with various versions of Acrobat Reader. What you decide here may depend on whom you are sending the file to or what version of Acrobat you have installed. If you're unsure, it's generally safe to choose an earlier version to ensure broad compatibility. Once you've selected the appropriate compatibility level, proceed by clicking OK. At this point, the software begins optimizing your PDF to reduce the size. It might take a moment depending on the complexity and original size of the file, so a little patience here will go a long way. Finally, it's time to save your newly compressed document. Simply click on Save and decide where you want this smaller version to live on your device or network. Make sure you rename the file clearly if you want to preserve the original as well. And there you have it, you've successfully reduced the size of your PDF file. This straightforward process not only saves digital space, but also makes it easier to share documents quickly, without skimping on the important content they carry. I hope you found this tutorial useful and that it helps streamline your workflow in the future. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out more of our tech tips and tricks to keep your digital life running smoothly.